closely with us. Therefore, Commissioner, I saw it necessary for me to mention this. And lastly, in my conclusion, Commissioner, I would like to say thank you very much for this opportunity to come and share my experience and give the approach that was and the methodology used by the team. The team is still out, and I'm happy that the executive are still engaging and telling that the team must continue working. There's quite a lot of people that are dying, and others, when you see it, perhaps maybe if one day members of the commission can attend one of the crime scenes, and then you see how these people are brutally killed for nothing, greedy for money, greedy for tenders, and so forth. And obviously political tolerance that is among the political parties to parties, and so forth. Therefore, the team dedicated themselves and say, we will put our work in. And that letter, it torn them apart. It turned them apart. I'm not putting myself, because I needed to be there and protect them on the ground. And I knew that I do have my senior officers that will that are able to see and will engage all different structures in saying this is actually a suicidal decision that we have taken. And we are coming for the next year, the local government election, and that's where most of the killings are happening as per our analysis, but I won't dwell much into that. But then in short, I would like to say thank you very much, and I will also mention that the team is out working, and as I'm sitting here, I'm saying good luck to them. They must continue, they must ensure that they do their job diligently, and fear nothing but only God. Thank you, Commissioners.
Thank you, Colonel. Do you wish to just